Kajingwan Jurep lang neki regional committee ban pej khaphod na Kamrup district Kajala Assam Ri Bhoi District Kajala Meghalaya ya ka Pilangkata pat Khanapara kala poi chakarai ban hab aiti kaiphod shala ki jong ki sarkar jala kalami ke thmak tien ka bajur ha padeng kinong sang ka Kajala Meghalaya pat Assam kat bandangya Jurep da kini ki regional committee ban pej upod usam ha padeng ki ar jala ka khandai trik urisau arajar arpuai Ya ke regional committee na Ri Bhoi District lalam khamat do ba persetujuan tensong sembut menteri ba Kajala kat bai ke regional committee na Kamrup district lalam khamat do Pijus Hazarika menteri ke sarkar jala Assam kinong sang kilo ong ba ka Assam kala Kamrup jubor ki jaka ki baha ba Kajala Meghalaya kila dawa ba ki jaka ki badai jong Kajala Meghalaya kide bunan phai biang saka jala kidan pat ki balapun pau ba ki jaka ki ba ka Assam kala sim ki de ban sa no sa Assam bat ki badan sa Meghalaya kide bandan be saka jala bat ong ba ka Assam kambit banwan tur Habakaran hakilat pathai kubor uba persetujuan tensong loong ba kum ke sarkar jala kala sim jing kli ban pej ya kani ke jing e kabla sa manta da ki phau snam ulong ba ka tio bobut kan sadon ka jing jurep sai kwe pat ki jaka ki ba kan thop ki jaka ki bodan ke jing krat khapun upi je sajirka ulong ba kani ke jingwan jurep kalong ru sibenta ban pej ki breu nak baro arjala kindan hapadeng ka songsuk songsang.
On behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I am so thankful to the Honorable Minister Hazarika representing the state government of Assam, because you are all aware that recently the decision was taken between both the Chief Minister, Assam and Meghalaya, that those area of differences that we have all along the interstate border between Assam and Meghalaya, we need to go on the ground, we need to physically do the inspection. So I am so happy to tell you today, we were able to cover at least six to seven places, which is known as, one is Pilangkata cluster and number 2 is Khanapara cluster. So both these clusters we already visited along with the Honorable Minister. So on behalf of the government of Meghalaya, I am so thankful to him. Please understand one thing, this is our inspection. This is only our inspection, both sides. We hear also some views from the local residents of those places, but ultimately this will be taken it up with the highest authority of both the states, means between the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya very soon, where we have to do. And the second phase, I think most likely within this month. The name of the place is Khanapara. I think within this month again we will undertake the inspection, physical inspection to the remaining areas, which is already agreed between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam in the level of the Chief Minister.
This is a field visit only. We have listened to the people of the both of the state. Meghalaya people also have said, and Assam people also have said, but decision will be taken by our honorable chief ministers in high-level meetings. I will submit a report, but this is our not total visit. We have to do another round. So, with, doing both the round, we'll submit our report. Accordingly, our chief ministers will take decision.